Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make an extra 300k to a million naira online with ease every month. Okay, we are going to cut out all the fluffs, no long talk, no grammar. There are many different ways via which you can make money online. And the truth is that making money, whether it's online or offline, is not an easy task. Okay, it's not an easy task. But of course, there are ways that are easier than the others. There are ways that are more easier than the others. The way to make money via A is not the same as the way to make money via B. And that's why I'm creating this video to share with you certain ways. In fact, five proven ways that you can make between 300,000 naira to a million naira online, even as a total beginner. Now, this works in any country. So wherever you're watching me from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, wherever you're watching me from, within Africa, outside Africa, it works for everyone. So sit back, learn, implement, and you're going to earn. That's the truth. If you learn and implement, you are definitely going to earn. My name is Courage, and you're welcome to my channel. I will ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video, hit that like button there so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you are new to my channel and you would like to see more content like this, content about YouTube ads, Facebook ads, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, whatever it is, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So guys, without wasting time, let's dive in. The first one is Amazon KDP, Amazon Kindle Publishing. This one is easy to start. It does not require too much knowledge or too much information. Okay, so you simply publish books on Amazon and get paid royalty. You publish books on Amazon and you get paid royalty. The books, you must not be the one to write the books. You can pay anyone to write these books for you, right? And then the books you're going to publish, if you want to make some good money from Amazon, the truth is that you don't just publish any kind of book. You have to publish books in areas that people are going to pay to access it, right? It can be fictional, it can be real, but the most important thing is that you have to publish books on subject matters, on topics that people have interest in, so that they're going to pay good money to access your book. If you'd like to learn this, I will recommend the course for you. So I will leave the link to the course in the description of this video below. So you can click on that link. I'll also leave it in the comment section. So I will pin the comment with a link to the course where you can go and get that course and learn Amazon Kindle Publishing and start earning in dollars and earning good money for yourself every month. The second one is you need to learn how to build one-page funnels for brands. And then you offer this as a service to people. They're going to pay you. You may not charge high. You can charge as little as 50,000 naira per person. So if you have 6 people you are building these things for in a month, that's 300,000 naira. You see how easy it is, right? You see how easy it is when you begin to work with numbers. You now know that if I do these things for 6 people in a month at 50,000, I am getting 300,000. This work with numbers, work with goal and target. It becomes easier for you to make any amount you want. You can use card to create booking sites for personal brands, to create to create consultation sites for personal brands. Card here. This is what I mean here. Card.co. Card.co. Easy peasy. Does not require any special skill because this Card.co is a drag and drop site. It says build one-page site for pretty much anything. Okay, so whether it's personal profile, a landing page to capture emails, or something a bit more elaborate, people are going to pay you to have these things. It is easy. They said Card has you covered. Simple, responsive, and totally free. What else are you waiting for? After watching this video, go and explore this Card.co. Sign up there, explore it and see how it works. You are going to make money when you start building funnel for people, especially people who do affiliate marketing, e-commerce, business owners on Instagram, personal brands on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Help them set up one-page funnel and they're going to pay you money to do these things. Learn how to use card. Watch videos on YouTube. Go to the card.co, explore it, sign up and learn how to use. Simple drag and drop, and that's it. You offer it as a service to people and they pay you. Easy like that. Third one is affiliate marketing. This one is one of the easiest ways to make money online as a beginner. Okay, you simply sell other people's products and you get paid a good commission. Listen, every day of our life, we recommend things to people. The only thing there is that we don't get paid to do it, right? The same thing is with affiliate marketing. You recommend, but the upside now is that you get paid. Probably you had a pimple sometime and then you used something that helped you clear the pimple, and you tell your friend, oh, you have a pimple, you can use this, and I used it and it cleared my pimple. They go and use it and they say thank you. You are recommending stuff. But with affiliate marketing, you are doing the same thing. Oh. You are still recommending to people, but then you are getting paid a commission when the person makes a purchase. Easy peasy. You can just start with your phone and with WhatsApp. Learn affiliate marketing. Is one of the easiest ways for you to get out of lack, for you to get out of financial lack. If you learn it, I assure you, you're going to make a lot of money. There are many videos on YouTube that's going to teach you how to get started. So don't go and buy a course yet for affiliate marketing. Watch videos on YouTube to learn different areas that you need to cover. All right? The fourth one is that you can become a media buyer. This one is one of the easiest to start. It does not require capital. It does not require anything that is difficult. You simply help businesses to run advert on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Google, wherever it is. You simply help them set up advert and they're going to pay you. You know why? Because business owners, they want to make sales. Everybody is in business to make sales. People are in business to make sales and to make money. And the fastest way to make these sales is of course for people to buy what they are selling. So if you are able to help them advertise and they make sales, they're going to pay you. All you have to do is learn how to run Facebook advert. I've made series of videos. Check my channel. Check the Facebook advert playlist on my channel. You will watch all those videos, learn it. Not just my videos. There are different other guys who are creating this kind of videos on YouTube that are teaching you how to run ads. Watch these videos, learn it. Call yourself a media buyer. Approach your friends and your family. Help them for free to run adverts for their businesses. And then they are going to, in return, they are going to do a video testimonial and give you that video. If you have up to 5 people giving you video testimonial, that is, they are attesting to the fact that this guy is good. This guy helped my business to make so amount in a month. This guy helped me run advert and I made sales. Take that video and show other business owners that this is what you do. This is what you can do for their business. They are going to pay you. They are going to pay you good money. They are going to pay you every day, every blessed day. I receive messages from people who are asking me to help them set up adverts. Unfortunately, I don't do that anymore. But imagine that in a month, I agree to run an advert for 30 people or 50 people, and each of them are giving me 50,000. Do the maths and see how much I'm making in a month. That's what you should be doing. Learn media buying, become a media buyer, and you're going to make a lot of money, I assure you. Fifth one is local arbitrage. This one is, you should already expect to hear this one, e-commerce. This is one of my favorites, right? You simply buy cheap hot products offline at a very ridiculous price because you are buying from direct suppliers. You buy them cheap offline, you bring these products online, you sell them, you make profit, you smile. You can buy a product offline for 5,000 naira and you sell it online for 15,000 naira. You can buy a product for 10,000 offline and you sell it for 35,000 online. The important thing there is that you are selling products that are not very common. If you sell products that are very common, products that people can find in any store, they're not going to buy. But if you sell good product that has a great value and are not common, people are going to buy from you. With e-commerce, you will not lack money. I promise you. I promise you. You will always make money. I have a course on this. People who have bought my course, you can ask them. They are making money. Those who implement, they are making money. They are making good money. They are living good life. Before you buy any course on e-commerce, watch videos first on YouTube. I've made series of videos. Check my channel, check the playlist on e-commerce. Watch videos so that you have a good knowledge first before you now proceed, transition into buying a course that will expose you to the higher level of understanding. Okay. If you also want to get my course, I will leave the link to the course in the comment section below in the video description. Also, I will pin it in the first comment so that if you want to get the course on, like I said you can get the course on Amazon KDP. I'll pin it in the description of the video and the first comment. Also for my e-commerce course, I'll pin it there too. Go there, click on that link, get that course. Don't just buy the course for buying sake. Buy the course, learn, implement, and you are going to get results. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please feel free to share with me. Feel free. Ask me in the comment section. Let me know which of these 5 business models you are already doing. Okay? Let me know which of them you are already doing. And if you have any challenges in any of them, ask me in the comment. I will be able to answer and tell you how to go about solving your problems. Okay? Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it with as many you know who find it helpful. Thank you for watching. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at my handle, Courage Ngele. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.